Market order versus limit order. The beginner's ultimate guide. Click buy it at the wrong time and you can pay way more than you planned. And if you hit sell without a plan, your profit can vanish in milliseconds. Today, I'm handing you the master key to the two order types that every trader must know: market orders and limit orders. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll execute trades with sniper level precision. I'm Jeremy from Trade Life Mastery, and my mission is simple: turn everyday people into intentional traders who win with skill, not luck. These two little order buttons are the gateway to your financial dreams or your biggest frustrations. Let's make sure they set you free instead of setting you back. Let's get right into it. The big idea: when price is moving, speed and precision are in a constant tug of war. Market orders give you speed, limit orders give you precision. Great traders know when to call on each superpower. What is a market order? The definition of a market order is: broker, fill me in now at the best available price. The pros of it is instant execution, perfect for highly liquid, slow-moving stocks like ETFs. The cons: slippage and fast markets. You might buy at the top of a sudden spike or sell at the exact bottom of a flush. Market orders are like shouting "taxi" in Times Square. They're quick, but you might pay surge pricing. The definition of a limit order is: broker, only fill me in at this price or better. The pros is price certainty. Your dollar is your anchor. It's essential for low flow rockets and news spikes. The cons: there's no guarantee that it will get filled. Opportunity cost: if the train leaves without you. Limit orders are like slipping a Post-it to the barista. Only if the oat milk latte is below $4.50, then I'll buy it. If the price jumps, you'll stay caffeine deprived, but at least your wallet's safe. So here's a quick demonstration. Let's say, for example, Apple, calm, midday, and a market order result, it fills at $175.01. Basically spot on. And for a limit order is calm, it also fills instantly at $175 flat. Let's say it's a different stock now, a low float running surgeon. So you want to put in a market order and you click to buy it at $2.50. It comes back, the order filled, and at $2.75, 25 cents more than you initially wanted to get in at. Now for the limit order result, you put in a limit order to buy the stock at $2.55. It's going to either fill at that price or it won't fill at all. Earnings gap up pre-market. The market order result: price leaps up while order transmits. And the limit order result: stagger limits ladder to control entry. Here are the biggest beginner mistakes. The number one biggest beginner mistake is they panic using the market order and illiquid tickers. The second biggest mistake: setting a limit order miles away from the current price, and then they wonder why it never fills. The third biggest mistake is forgetting to cancel stale limits that later trigger in random after-hour liquidity pools. Here's a quick tip: use time and force. They promote day trade so an old order doesn't hunt you the next day. Now here's some pro tips and advanced tactics. This is a hybrid entry. So you want to fire a starter market order. You want to do about 1/3 the size for instant exposure, then scale the rest with limits. So you're not going in with your full amount that you plan to trade in to put in your trade. So if you're trading, you plan to trade $100 today, you want to just put in $33 for a market order and see what you would get in at that price, and then put in another $33 in, and then you want to do that. And so you may purchase one stock. Second is bracket orders. Another name is OCO. One cancels other. A limit order plus a stop loss in one click. That means your emotions are eliminated. You can also do preset hotkeys. You can save templates to enter without slippage. Pros don't panic, they program. Your edge is your preparation. Market orders give you speed, limit orders give you control, and discipline decides the winner. If this breakdown saved you confusion or even saved you cash, smash that like button, drop precision in the comments, and hit subscribe for no fluff trading mastery. Links below in the description for free live alerts on my website, and also a link to my Discord community group as well. Dreams become reality when preparation meets opportunity. Trade smart, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's master this together.